Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix if Valorant is not launching, not starting, or not opening on your Windows. So let's go quick into it. Locate your Valorant desktop icon. So I have this from here. Make a right click and then select show more options. Click on properties. Now here in the Valorant properties, you need to click on the compatibility tab, and here you'll find this option, disable full screen optimization. So simply check this box, run this program as an administrator, check that. Then you have here run in compatibility mode, simply check this, and then you have to choose the latest Windows, which is Windows 8, click on that, click on apply and then OK, and after that, try to launch the Valorant application. Then you also need to check the VGC service. So in the Windows search bar right here, type services. Click on it under the best match. Then simply click on one service and then press the letter V key to directly go to VGC or the letter V section. Right click on the VGC, select properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. If this is not yet running, click on start. If this is already running, click on stop. Then start it again to restart the service. Apply and then OK. And then close this window. Then locate your Valorant desktop icon. Make a right click and then select Run as Administrator. Now running the application as an administrator, most of the time this will open and bring up the application. So as you can see from my Windows, this has opened the Valorant application. So once this opened, you can just simply sign in with your credentials from here and then enjoy the Valorant game. Then we also need to make sure that the graphics card driver is updated. So right click at the start button and then select Device Manager. Here in the Device Manager window, we need to locate the display adapters. Make a right click on it. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Right click and then select Update Driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this. And also update your Windows. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here. So currently, this is downloading and installing the updates for my Windows. So in your case, you need to simply click on this so that your Windows will be updated. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after that, try to launch the Valorant application. Then if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares on your Windows like the McAfee, Malwarebytes, or Avast, click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar, and here you can find the third-party antivirus softwares that you're using. So if you find that, just simply quit that and then click on the Windows security icon. Then you have to click on the virus and threat protection on the left pane. Then scroll down and you'll find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Then disable the real-time protection. And after you have disabled the real-time protection, try to launch the application. And if it has worked this time, then you need to go back to Windows Security and then enable it from here because this is a very important security for your Windows. Now close this. And if the issue still persists, then we can reinstall the application. So in the Windows search bar, type here app wiz.cpl. Click on it. Search here Valorant. Click on this and select uninstall. And then we need to completely close it from here. So click on the show hidden icons. Make a right click and then select exit. Click on OK. Select uninstall. Click on done. Then we need to reinstall it. So open any of your favorite browsers. I'm going to open the Edge browser. Click on it. Maximize this. Here in the search bar, just type Valorant download. Hit enter. Now you'll find it from the official website playvalorant.com en-us download. So download the game Valorant. Click on it. And simply click this button download. And the installer file will be downloaded for the Valorant. So let's just wait for this. Now once done, double click and then close the Edge browser. Click on install. And this will reinstall the Valorant game into our Windows. So once installed, then this will bring up and open the application for you. So from here, you just can simply sign in with your account, your Valorant account, then continue enjoying the game. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.